So the process of setting up the Cloudflare to make sure that we have the Cloudflare activated on the domain, we go through to your Cloudflare account like this. Then we access the Cloudflare account that we'll be working with. In this case, this is webaker.com. We will click on Turnstile. Going to add a new widget. Now this can be named anything. I'll call it log.webaker.com so I know what it's connected to. Then we're just going to go to the host name. Then just going to add webaker.com because that's the domain name that we're using. I'm going to click add. Managed. That's what we'll save. And then we'll create it. So we'll have the site key. That's the only key that we need. We'll go to the log.webaker.com, and then inside the form at the very end, I'm just going to paste this key, save it, and go back to our website. Here it is, log.webaker.com. I'm going to reload it, and it will be active.